Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to make Japanese sushi rolls. If you're new to our channel, hello! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. For our sushi fillings, we are gonna need raw salmon, Japanese cucumber, tamagoyaki or Japanese sweet omelette, minced raw mackerel or saba, octopus, crab sticks, and furikake or rice seasoning. We will also need powdered sushi vinegar, and we will use 1 tablespoon for every 320 grams of cooked rice. Now give it a good mix until the powdered vinegar is well incorporated. Prepare a sushi roller and put the nori on top of it. Put the rice on top of the nori and spread it with 1 centimeter thickness. Make sure to leave an inch space on one end of the seaweed for it to stick to the other end when you roll it. Now you can line up your desired fillings on top of the rice. Any combination is fine. On this one, I put cucumber, salmon, tamagoyaki or sweet omelette, and raw mackerel. Now we're ready to roll. Make sure to press firmly while rolling. And now it's done. Now we're gonna do our second sushi roll. Repeat the same procedure by putting the rice and spreading it on top of the nori or seaweed. For this one, I sprinkle the rice with furikake or rice seasoning. And for the filling, I used crab sticks, octopus, and salmon. Start rolling carefully and our second sushi roll is done. For our next sushi roll, we're gonna use just the cucumber for the filling. With a very sharp knife, start cutting the sushi rolls into your desired size. Another way of making sushi is by shaping the rice with your hands like this. And then we will use nori to cover it. We will also use wasabi as part of the fillings of our sushi. Our sushi rolls are now ready. Itadakimasu! Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.